¿Qué pasó? Dime. What happened? Tell Mommy what happened, baby girl. Tell Mommy what happened. I want to hear what happened. She's like, something's looking at me. What happened, baby girl? Tell Mommy what happened. Tell Mommy. I want to hear. I want to hear. Tell me your story. Were you dreaming? Yeah? What was your dream about? Tell Mommy, what was your dream about? Really? And then what happened? Tell me more. Wow, all of that? Wow, sounds beautiful. You had a dream about being a princess? Yeah, were you dreaming you were a princess? In a castle? Oh, wow. Yeah? Was your brother in your dream? Yeah? There's the camera. Can you say bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey, I'm 2 months and I'm talking already. Isn't that amazing? Say love you. Bye. Besos. She follows the camera. Look at my tongue.